baste the turkey. You may use a turkey baster, or personally I prefer to use a large spoon. So grab the fat with the spoon and pour it over the meat. This is called basting, and that will add moisture to the bird. Then raise the temperature of your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and put the turkey back in the oven. Bake the turkey for about 2 hours. We will check the internal temperature later on and baste the turkey every 30 minutes. Baste the turkey again. As you can see, it starts to have a nice golden color and it smells beautiful, but it's not cooked yet. So let's keep it cooking.